powder dried dates. Take 1 pinch of the powder with honey thrice a day.